Usa ka pagtuo, usa ka tingog, usa ka katawhan. Cebu Catholic Television Network.
I solemnly swear that I will faithfully
If a prosperous and free democracy can be built in the Philippines upon the ruins of war, the prestige of America, and the American way of life,
Más hermosa lección de diplomacia.
All this kindness, all this courtesy.
They cannot succeed without the support of the people. We cannot succeed without the support of our people.
But I was not fighting for lawyers, but for the people.
Na kadalang-dalang na bumubuo sa isa-sampung kongreso.
In times of financial and economic stress,
I, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, fulfill my duties as President of the Philippines.
Mayong buntag, mayong gabi, pero kaning ato programa una gini makitaan sa gabi. So mayong gabi, and then ato replay will be mayong buntag kaninyong tanan nga nagtanaw din sa atong programang Politics and Beyond. Sa lahat po ng nanonood sa ating programa, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At ito po ang inyong programa Politics and Beyond. Ako po si Eric Espina. Our topic tonight will be really very interesting because it is socio-culturally apropos for many of our Filipino brethren. And as you very well know, it is already the time of Ramadan. And so, for some Filipinos who may not be well acquainted with the practice, let's get to know more about the customs, the traditions of our fellow Filipino Muslim brothers. So we will get a sampling and an inkling of what it is that they are undergoing these times. Being a Catholic and a Christian nation, and yet we are one as one republic. So I am very, very glad to see a good friend. He's also a good Muslim, and in fact he's an imam, for that matter. We have none other than Brother Najib Rasul. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, brother.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much, Brother Eric, for the invitation you have afforded for me to be able to come here and talk to our people. Thank you.
Yes, it's our pleasure. Our topic for today, ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayong gabi, ang atog yung tukion o apil sa atong kulukabildo, bahin ni sa, ang titulo is Filipino Ramadan. So, kuhan, kaning Brother Najib, right now, para lang ma-establish ang imong mga credentials, you are an imam. Gusto may pasabutan ng imam, Brother Najib?
Imam is somebody who leads his people in all religious practice. All the community services inside a masjid is being conducted by him. So that is an imam.
Kaning masjid kuhan, brother, actually mosque ang pasabutan eh. Para lang masabtan sa mga nagtanaw.
Among the French, they say mosque.
Mosque.
Oh. It's like a church and a temple.
Masjid.
Masjid.
Masjid is what language?
Arabic. From the word sajda. Sajda means prostration.
Sajda.
So masjid is the constructive word for that.
Okay.
Which means the place for making prostration.
Okay.
Masjid.
Okay. Later on, I will ask you about the various ways of prostration. Parang lain-lain mo kuno na. Kuno ha, kay wagi ko kabaluan na. Mamutana ko ani karo kay para daghan ta makatunan ba. Para makasabot ta sa atong mga kaigsuonan pod, no. Brother, when you say you're an imam, it's like you're the pastor or like the parish priest of a parish
rabbi.
or a rabbi. Okay. Is that the only term that is usually used, or kay makadungog banggutan ng termino nga ayatollah Unsa man ang
And
inana?
that's different.
Lahi na po na siya.
Lahi na siya nga level. When you say ayatullah,
Oo.
this is two words, ayat and Allah.
Aha.
Ayat means signs.
Okay.
Allah, it means Allah,
Okay.
signs of Allah.
Okay.
That refers to a scholar. But he is no ordinary scholar because he has reached the level of being the ayatullah. Lower to that is the Hujjatul Islam. But among the ayatullah, there is a marja, the one
Mas taas na siya.
mas taas.
Marja, unsa man ang marja?
Marja, like the Maharaja.
I see, okay.
He is the marja. He is the highest scholar of the highest eminence.
Okay.
There are only two in the planet right now.
Nga marja.
Nga marja.
Kisang man na sila, kay kita mga Pilipino, wag yung takabaluan na.
Sa Islamic Republic of Iran, it's Ayatollah Ali Khamenei.
Okay.
And sa Iraq,
So he is considered a marja.
marja, yes.
But, and he happens to be the leader now of the Republic of Iran, if I'm not mistaken.
He is in the Supreme Council.
Okay.
But the one who really wields power in the government is the president.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Iraq, we also have Ayatollah Ali Sistani.
So lahi po ni siya.
Sa Iraq na siya.
Okay. Okay.
There are only two. Marja.
Okay. So this is very interesting. Unya ato nito kayon nga man duha ni sila o nga man nahitabo inani no. So ako lang ipakutana nimo Brother Najib kaning why do you have Ramadan in the Quran among the Muslims?
Yeah, in the Quran, we are being enjoined, being commanded. In the 183rd verse of the Quran in Surah Al-Baqarah, there is that verse which says, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykum as-siyama kama kutiba ala alladhina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. Ila al-akhir al-ayah. Meaning, O ye who believe, fasting is prescribed to you as it has been prescribed to those before you. Haply you may learn righteousness.
Okay.
So every 9th month of the year, because Ramadan happens to be in the 9th month,
Okay.
the whole 1 month,
When you mean 9th month, just for clarification, 9 month in the calendar
in the
of...
calendar of Hijrah.
Okay, okay.
So 9 months, we have the Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awal, Rabiul
So may
Thani,
kag Hijra kuan, Brother Najib, Hijra is the month of for the Muslims.
Muslims,
Okay,
yes.
okay. Claro. How many months are there in the kuan? In the
Same with the
okay,
Gregorian,
okay.
12 months also.
So, kanang
Except, the number of days is 29, 30, 29, 30, no 31.
Okay.
It's a lunar calendar.
Okay, so when you say kaning Hijra, 12 months po na siya.
12 months.
There are also 12 months. Pero mo ingong gani kag 9th month, it doesn't follow the Grigo o the kuan kaning current calendar nga. We are still on
No,
March.
that's not, because ang
Okay.
Gregorian calendar is a solar calendar,
Okay.
which has 365 days.
Okay.
Pag leap year, mag 366 siya.
Oh.
Ang lunar calendar has
Hijra,
only 354 days.
I see.
Diferensya og pulo kadlaw.
Okay. So you are now in your 9th month. We are still in March.
Yes, yes. The 3rd month ka. Kami 9 months.
Oh, kita ka. At least nakasabot na sa kwan, no?
Yes.
This is very important for us to be able to understand. So, okay. If it is an injunction for you, because it's one of the 5 pillars of Islam siguro, no? Kaning
Yeah,
Ramadan,
it's
no?
one, yeah.
Oh, it's one of the 5. Importante
Yes.
yun na siya.
Importante kayo.
Okay. You cannot call yourself a Muslim. Di ka magkuhan. Di ka mag-Ramadan.
Obviously.
Okay. So, kaning 5 ka buok, of course, katong Hajj, no? Apel mo, adto ka.
Sa last,
the
gathering of
Makkah,
the believers.
Sa
Yes.
Mecca. There is no limit as to the number of times mo adto kag Makkah.
No limit.
No limit, no?
No limit.
Okay, next is kaning kuan zakat. Zakat ba na? Sakto ba?
Zakat.
Zakat kanang mutabang sa mga pobre.
Zakat is the tax, actually.
Okay.
Every Muslim in the Islamic country or Muslim country has to pay zakat. When you pay zakat, that's it. You do not need to pay the second time, for example, in every year. You have to do it in the first month
Kausa lang.
every year. Like there is ato, it's different because you pay the government taxes.
That's it.
You pay also the church with your tithes.
Double.
So
tithes.
you pay the government and also the church.
Sa kuan,
In Islam, when you pay zakat, that's it. That is your tax.
kanang zakat is the usman na paghatag sa mosque o sa
You have to give it to the government.
you have to
In the
give it
Islamic
sa gobyerno. So makahatag ka na sa gobyerno, di nakakinala mo hatag.
Dili na. Kay kausa naman, government is Islam. The religion is also Islam. So you pay only one.
So ang akong pangutana is kanibang like din sa Philippines. How do you perform sagat?
Zakat, kuli ang pagpractice usahay simply because first, this is not an Islamic government.
Correct. So how do you do it? Kanang pagtabang
give
sa mga
zakat
pobre.
straight. We give zakat straight to those who are in need. There
Ayun
are
na.
7 of them.
7.
The first are the orphans.
And then the widows.
They have one share.
Okay.
The widows, yes. And then the fukara, those who cannot work, blind.
Okay.
The one which those who cannot work.
Okay.
Those who cannot earn.
Okay.
They have one share.
Okay.
And the miskin, those who earn, but the earning is really
Not enough.
Not enough. It's
Okay.
really meager. They have another share.
Okay.
And also the wayfarer or the strangers, they have one share for that.
When you say wayfarer, they're strangers.
Strangers, most of them are those who are not from this place. It could be a stranger
A
from
complete
Mindanao.
stranger in short.
Yeah, it could be from other
And
countries.
then paghatag nimo, kinahanglan ba gyud Muslim sila pagtabang nimo or
Not
it's just complete stranger?
No, not necessarily.
Basta
Because-
stranger lang.
We give even our neighbors.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So, pareho din sa Biblia nga sa Biblia, we give also preference to the orphans,
Yes.
the widows, and ang termino nga gigamit sa Biblia is sojourners.
Yes.
Kanang mga
Maybe
strangers.
because there is truth in it because the source of revelation is one and the same God.
Mao na siya.
There is a continuity of that.
So, after sagat, next is unsa may kaupat kaning continuous prayer every day. 7 times.
The first one, na-reverse man nato.
Oh.
The first one is Tawhid.
Tawhid, yeah. One God, the one God.
Yeah, one God. It's not simply one God that you adhere to one and the same God, but to implement His words.
Okay.
You have to implement that in the Islamic society.
Okay.
For example, the Quran, that is His word, that is His testament. You have to apply it. You have to operationalize His words.
Okay.
So in the Islamic countries,
You have to live by His words.
yes, in
Okay.
the Islamic countries, you don't find casino. You don't find sapunan.
I see. Okay.
Because the law is Sharia. The law is the Quran.
Okay.
There is nothing that nobody manufactures beer or rum
Okay.
or any intoxicant. Why? Because the law is the Quran.
Okay.
It's the word of God. That
So-
is, you have to submit fully to His will.
So after
you
kaning sa
implement His words.
paghuman aning sa tawhid, of course, na-mention na nato tong uban.
Ang hukumat niya, hukumat Islami is His government, the government
Okay.
of God on earth.
So after the tawhid, we have the
Pray.
Ramadan, we have the zakat, and the prayer
and
of 7
Ramadan,
times.
Zakat, yeah. Ang
Prayer
prayer,
7 times, good.
ang wajib is 5.
Wajid.
Wajib ka ng compulsory.
Okay.
5 na siya.
5 na siya.
Extra prayers, you can do it during the night. Optional siya.
O sa may tawagan ng kuan, kanang kung sobra pa sa 5.
That's your devotion.
Devotion na nimo. Okay, so
It's your devotion.
so kaning wajib, kuan ni siya.
Wajib is
kalima ni siya.
compulsory.
Okay, compulsory. So
Compulsory.
if you do not do wajib,
You commit a sin
okay.
when you don't pray.
Okay.
Because that is the right of God.
So murag daghan siguro tang daghan ta maligsan ana brother Najib no.
Kuwan mga na, sir, we're human beings. We
sakto
exist
gina.
in this planet.
Sakto gina.
Because of Him.
Okay.
Utang nato ang hangin atong giginhawa.
Yes.
Ang sunlight utang nato. Di ba? Ang tubig na atong giinom, utang nato. Ang yuta atong gitumban, ug wala ni asa man ta. Magtulutaw ta sa hangin.
So,
utang nato na. So you have to submit fully to His will by prostrating yourself to the ground.
So kanig yun, pero may gining balik-balikan siguro sa mga kaigsuunan natong Muslim, no? Kaning wajib kay murag daghan siguro kay wala nagbuhat ani, no? Imong tanaw ina kuan brother Najib tanas.
Mauna. Sometimes, no, it's really
A challenge.
yes, because Dili sayon ang pag-pray 5 times a day, especially early morning, sir.
O sa may orasa kaning early morning yun
The
angay?
first early morning, let's say you have to pray around 5 a.m.
5 a.m. and the next...
Daghan ka hindi ka mataog sayo.
Kanang 5 a.m. Brother Najib, unsa man na kay murag gisunod nga prayer or is just your personal prayer?
No, nasa cycle, calisthenic.
Okay. So after 5 a.m.
Next to that is the noontime prayer.
12.
12 or
Okay.
12:30.
Before you eat.
Even after you eat, doesn't
Okay,
matter.
doesn't matter. Okay,
Then,
next.
in the middle afternoon,
Which
around
is
3 or 3:30.
3 to 3:30.
Next is after sunset,
So mga
mga past 6.
6, so past 6. Okay.
Then, before going to bed,
Sleep.
let's say mga 7. In the mosque, we normally do it around 7:45.
Okay. Now,
But if you are at home, you can do it 8 or 9 or 10 or 11. It's okay. You are at home anyway.
so question, if
Yes.
you are in Ramadan, you are still required to do the Quran
Of course. The more so.
with more so
Mas daghanon pa nimo.
para dili ka kay maguna-una o pagkaon.
like this time, sir, no?
Oo.
I'm fasting.
Oo.
Now it's afternoon time.
Yes.
I tell you, the rigors of fasting is now starting to bite. Very thirsty.
Tinod.
Oh, very hungry. Hindi ba ito pwede kayo?
Hasta tubig dili pwede, no?
No.
Bawal ang tubig.
Bawal. Wala. Bisag candy na lang, wala.
Bawal pod.
Oh, bawal.
Pero kanang napoy mga nagingon kay kuan man ni may ni kay daghan ta nakatunon ko brother Najib. Kani kunong ipuno nimo ang laway bawal pod. Tinuod ba na? Tinuod ba na? Oo, naingon nga okay ra gyud na. Kay naman na natural man na.
Anyway, naaraman sa suod sa imong
Oh, pero kung imo kunong ipunon ko no. Tinuod ba na imong ipunon?
I have not tried it.
Ipuno nimo kay mura na sig tubig pag man imo itulon. Kay mo man nagistorya sa bala ko amigo mga Muslim.
Very funny.
Dili na bawal.
Dili, basta naagikan sa imong baba, wala man kay gikaon nga
Okay.
kuan. Naaraman
Okay.
sa suod gikan.
So karon, naklaro na nato, bawal gyud ang tanang klaseng pagkaon tapos sunod nato sa pag mag-break ta karon is magbe-break muna tayo. Tanungin muna natin. So, yung pagkain, tubig, bawal lahat 'yun.
Bawal.
Ngayon,
Including sex.
nako, inunahan na. Naunahan pa ako ni Brother Najib. Okay, kasama yung sex ano? Pangalawa, anong klaseng pag-iisip ang kailangan sa panahon ng Ramadan? Sa pagbabalik po ng Politics and Beyond. Okay, we're back with us in Politics and Beyond. We're talking to Brother Najib Rasul. He's an imam, and our topic is Filipino Ramadan. So, Brother Najib, time of Ramadan, okay? No sex.
No. Except during the night.
So pwede ang kwan?
Pwede. Only in the first 20 days. Not in the 21st until the end of Ramadan.
How long is Ramadan?
30 days, sometimes 29. But most of the time is 30.
So, first 20 days pwede pa?
Pwede.
In the evening?
In the evening.
Okay. The next 10 days, bawal na?
Bawal na talaga.
Why?
Kasi, that period is called itikaf.
Itikaf.
Itikaf, it is a period of seclusion wherein a Muslim should experience Laylatul Qadr, the night of power. Laylatul Qadr.
Laylatul Qadr.
Layl, it means the night. Qadr means power.
Okay.
We have to experience, every Muslim should experience that. So we have to make a ruhaniya.
Okay.
That is to confirm our faith. For example, we believe in God.
Okay.
People will ask you, you believe in God? Did you see God? Of course, no.
To strengthen your faith, in short.
In short, you believe in angels? Yes. Have you seen angels?
Ngaman wala magibuhat ka 30 days good wala. Murag bas. Wala kayo lisod na kayo siguro kung 30 days.
Dili kaya sa lalaki. Kung walay kuan?
Dili kaya, no? Dili kayo. Wala gyud, no? Lisod kayo, no?
Lisod kayo. Dito lang sa last 10 days nga dili na jud pwede.
Oo.
So in other words, tagpawa na imong kaugalingon sa first 20 days.
So dili mo magtapat sa imong misis ani?
Dili.
Bawal.
Magsiklud man ka.
So there is a seclusion process between the girl and
the male and the female, husband and wife. That's why we call it ittikaf. To make a ruhaniya. Ruhaniya, sir, is, by the way, you have to go beyond your human nature.
Correct me if I'm wrong, brother. Kani mo giyong
Ittikaf.
Ittikaf, is this similar to ijtihad?
No, different.
Different, okay.
Ijtihad is the one where you give a deduction.
Okay.
But ittikaf, no, it is a seclusion.
Seclusion from your wife.
Yeah, from the community even. You have to, some of those individuals, they go to the masjid without the wife, of course. And there are those who even go to the mountains.
The wife is also enjoined not to cohabitate with the husband.
Yes. She can also make a ruhaniya of her own. By the way,
sa balay, brother, how is that? Kung dili sila kadtog paggikan na sila sa sa balay pero di sila
timpi ka jud. You have to
laing kwarto.
Oo nga, walay
embrace. Bawal ang embrace sa magtiayon.
Okay na mag-embrace.
Okay na mag-embrace.
Sex is something else.
Halok, pwede po.
Pwede ra. Actually, pwede ra.
Ay, klarohon na nato kay para malingaw ni
pero dili to read, ha?
Dili kaning kaning kung sa aping halok pwede.
Kanang mo pikra ka mo kana.
Halok pwede.
Wala na yung magakos ka.
Pero kung lips to lips, di pwede na.
Murag lahi na siya.
Dili, kung smack lang.
We do not advise.
Okay, it's not advisable kay lisod na kayo.
Okay, matintal niya.
Matintal ka. Okay.
You may go somewhere else.
Okay. Now, how about kanong mga honeymooners? Maigo nga, murabag bago sila nagpasal, tapos naigo sa Ramadan. Do they have to follow?
That is why we do not
encourage.
We do not encourage Muslims to marry during Ramadan.
I see.
We do not. Unless, kaya may mga kasusan, like a few days ago,
importante yun.
I have to solemnize somebody because ang babae
mabdos na.
Pregnant. Di man siya Muslim ang babae. Pagkaibaw na mo, ang lalaki Muslim. Pagkaibaw na ko, no. That cannot be. Kinalan kasulon mo. Pila na kabuan? Pag-sulti 7 months. Oh my God, no. What you have been doing is wrong. In fact, abo siya gi-penalize.
What is the penalty for that?
He has to feed at least 30 individuals. 30 hungry individuals.
Wow.
There should be 100 lashes.
Okay.
But because the guy married the woman, so it was cut into 50.
Pero
from 50 down, hangtod walay lashes nga na igo, wala siya malatos, except that he has to feed 30 hungry individuals.
Pagkutano unti ka, Brother Najib, napabay lashes gyud hapon dinhi sa ato?
Actually, wala na.
Wala na gyud.
Diri sa ato, wala na.
Tapos ang lashes ana, cane ra ba gyud gamiton, di ba?
Siguro
usually sa likod o dapit sa tiil, where is that?
Depende. If it is sex, then sa legs.
Sa legs, no? Sa ilalim, no? Sa ilalim, no? Sa likod.
Dire.
Sa batang, sa kaning sa kwan.
Sa puso-puso.
Puso-puso.
Sex. Pero kung na-involve siya o kanang crime, it has to be at the back. For example,
sa likod,
kawat. Diri na sa likod.
Okay. So, kani at least na kumpleto ta sa kaning 5 pillars, bawal ang kuan, bawal ang sex food. And then, is there, ang family relations ba mausab kay na mga anak, na mga kuan, wala na sila, doesn't affect the children as long as they're still below a certain age?
Actually, wala. Very closely knitted ang Muslim family.
Okay.
Kaya ako gani, bisag akong anak, mga minyo na, they're stay with me.
Okay, that's very good. That's very good.
Kanang, we want to have our children and grandchildren intact.
Okay.
Ako mingaon man ko. Asa na si sige tagpangita.
Karon, kanang ubang mga Muslim o Filipinos or Filipino Muslims, Brother Najib, nga tulo upat ang asawa. They have to isolate themselves from their 3 or 4 wives.
Of course.
Mas lisod siguro na.
Mas lisod.
No?
Mas lisod.
Labi nagbago pang naminyo or batan-o ng imong bagong asawa?
Mas lisod. So kanang 10 days, grabing pugong-pugong yun. Siyempre.
Okay. Give us an idea of how it is to be panlitan in the Filipino Muslim family nga. Let's say, of course, gutom na ka, ingon ka, Brother Najib, no? So, karibang, how about your thoughts? Are you allowed to think in terms of, usay kanon ako unya, unya mag-sex me kay kwan sa akong asawa wa na yun na, should it be like ihram gyud kanang limpyo imong una-una?
ang kining thoughts good na to, unli man na siya good.
Unli bitaw na.
No, but it is just in our mind.
Oo.
Bisan pa kanang usa ka butang something that you intend to do unya haram siya basta di nimo buhaton, there is no sin.
Okay. So okay lang maghuna-huna kag pagkaon.
Maghuna-huna na kayo, it's up to you.
Okay. Kung maghuna-huna kag sex, okay ra.
Maghuna-huna ka, haram na nimo. Pero we
Bawal, haram na nila.
always encourage not to do that. You have to control your senses. You have to control your mind. You have to control your eyes, your hands, even your talk.
Mo man ang gingon nila nga brother kuan nga ihram in the mind also.
Yes, of course.
Limpyo
Because you have to instill discipline.
Okay.
Ramadan is about discipline.
Okay.
You have to discipline all the senses of your body. You have to control yourself. You have to control your hunger, your thirst, your sex. You have to control all of that.
It has to be a spiritual journey, in short.
Not only that, because the benefits that you can get out of fasting is the spiritual one. That's number one.
Okay.
Number two, it's the medical one.
Yes.
The physiological one.
Yes, yes.
The discipline.
Yes.
The humility. You know, when you fast, you become hungry.
Okay.
Pag gutom ka na, makakita kag mga tao after you fast nga gigutom sad.
You
Maluoy ka.
realize how it is to be hungry.
Yes.
Like the poor, no?
Di mo mapugan imong kaugalingon. Palitin dito ni sila bugas kay nakaagigod ka sa ilang gibati. That's the humility, the attitude that you develop. So you can help yourself, but share what you have. Share what you have to those who are in need. There are so many people who are hungry.
Yes.
I have so much blessing. Hala, sige.
Hatag. Pangutanon ti ka kuan kaning
Mamatay ta, di ta man na madala.
pangutanon ti ka brother kay you're a very reasonable imam, no? Kanay mo mga sala mawagtang na sila if you do good works.
Of course. You know, Ramadan is the month of mercy.
Okay.
When we repent and ask God for His forgiveness, there is a promise that the doors of heaven
Will be open.
is open.
Okay.
When a Muslim come to his Lord knocking, repenting, asking for forgiveness, the Lord of His Majesty will forgive all his sins because of that sincerity.
Pangutanon ti ka
Basta hinulso lang siya, mga isip pa sa'yo.
Brother Najib.
Inshallah, 100% guaranteed.
kaning kuan katong imong giingom nga kuan kaning wajib nga prayer, no?
Yes.
Unsa may kuan ana, unsa may penalty, unsay silo ta ana, or what is the penalty if you are sometimes observe it or you are unable to observe it, unsa may penalty ana?
The punishment is only with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
So
Naara niya. It
Okay.
is not for us to make a conclusive verdict as to what punishment could be.
Okay.
But it is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
so murag makahadlok sad siguro makahadlok wala kabalo, no?
Makahadlok nga.
Wa ka kabalo unsay silot. Okay.
Di man ka, kung singdon lang ta niya sa hangin atong giginhawa, kabaya di ay ta.
Oo.
Ang tubig atong ginom, libre man na. Pero
Tinuod.
putlan ta sa pag di ta kabayad. Saya libre.
Correct.
Free. Sunlight is free.
What are the usual struggles of a Filipino Muslim when it is Ramadan time?
The society. The place where we live.
Okay.
This is the common problem.
The temptation is higher. Are you saying the temptation is higher?
Because we are living in a secular society.
And then-
everything is here. Drugs.
And then makasimhot kag kuan, kaning makasimhot kag lamig pagkaon kay lami makayo ka na magluto-luto sa house.
Not only that, sir. Ladies all around.
Matintal ka.
Matintal man ka. Oh, now for a young Muslim fasting in a society which is a secular society, very, 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 very hard.
Very tempting.
Very tempting. We have brethren in Europe, in the United States,
Yes.
in Canada.
Labi na dito.
Grabe dito. Oo. Whenever we talk to these brothers, we say, oh brother, what you have in your country is nothing
Compared
to here. What do you have there? He started naming it. I said, my God, we don't have it here.
Kani ako ni pangutana nimo brother Najib, no, kay would it be fair to say that every country has a different sighting of when Ramadan starts? Kay murag lunar man na inyo, no? Okay, so sa Pilipinas lahi ang pagsugod sa Ramadan, in other countries lahi po ba ang ilang pagsugod sa Ramadan?
Yeah, because our planet happens to be a round planet.
Okay.
The first side is dark, the other side is
Light.
light.
Okay.
Now, mahitabo jud na nga dili magparehas because ang cycle sa bulan
So di kinahanglan magdungan ng tibuok kuan
dili
Islamic
jud
world.
di man jud na makadungan.
Di makadungan. So
Di jud
it's
makadungan.
lunar sighting yun.
Yes, lunar sighting.
Why is the moon very crucial to a Filipino Muslim?
Because the moon has the exact movement of its axis every month.
Okay.
Di jud siya mo bikil.
Okay.
Unlike the solar.
Okay.
Nga kinahanglan mo luksok kag one day.
Okay.
Every 4 years.
Okay.
Ang solar no, ang lunar dili. Perfect na siya. 39 20 at 29 30, 29 30, 29 30. Di siya mo di jud siya mo miss ang solar, ang lunar, lunar na calendar.
Other religions, they use different forms of calling people to prayer, no? With Islam, it is
Human voice.
Human voice.
Yes.
So kami mami kasabot ngaman gipili man ang human voice sa sa Islam.
Because you have to understand that Judaism, Christianity, and Islam are sister religion.
Okay.
We all trace our faith to Prophet Abraham.
Okay.
Now, our brethren, the Jews, whenever they call people to pray, they use the horn.
Okay. Okay.
Then our Christian brethren also use the bell.
The bell.
Cling,
Yes,
clang,
yes,
cling, clang.
yes, correct.
Now the Muslims, when they were in Medina, they made a decision, very crucial one.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Use a human voice.
Correct me if I'm wrong. They experimented for a while before they used the human voice, or they studied which one first.
Well, there is a consultation.
There was consultation.
There is a shura from among them.
Okay.
But finally, they made a wonderful decision that it has to be a human voice.
Okay.
So the lyrics were written. So it is Allahu Akbar twice.
Okay.
Then Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah twice. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
So everybody's being called to prayer.
Yes.
To go to the mosque.
To go to the mosque.
Or to pray in your own places.
Yes.
Okay. Brother Najib, we're going to pause again. Ilang mga segundo lamang babalik po ang ating programang Politics and Beyond pagkatapos ng ilang paalala. Okay, nagbabalik po ating programang Politics and Beyond. You're back again with Politics and Beyond. We're talking to Brother Najib Rasul. Ato siyang apil sa Kulo Kabildo para mas makasabot ta kay mga Pilipino man ta, usa man ta ka republika, usa man ta ka nasod, managsuon tang tanan, para lang masabtan nato ang atang ang kultura pun sa atong mga kaigsunan. So Brother Najib, no, so
yes.
we were talking about the voice. So what usually happens kung kanabang duol na ang kuan? Let's say karong adlaw siguro mga 6:30 wanay adlaw.
Yes.
So kano sa man magsugod og huna-huna og luto para sa kuan, para sa unsa man na breakfast, lunch, dinner ug merienda na apil. Okay.
We call it iftar.
Iftar.
We are going to take our futur.
Okay.
So iftar time. Our ladies normally at around 5:30 they would start going to the kitchen.
Okay.
Namalingki na.
Okay.
They would go to the kitchen. What do we have for iftar?
Okay.
I'd like to have chicken.
Okay.
Afritada. Like that. Or adobong yellowfins.
Okay.
Depende kung sa'yo gusto nila. Then they would prepare that.
Okay. So
sadya
I can imagine because excited kayo tanan.
Very excited.
A family gathering, di ba?
Yes.
Okay. We forgot to discuss. Naay mga exemptions to Ramadan, di ba?
Yes.
Kindly mention lang para kasabot punta.
Those exempted from fasting, number one, are those who are sick.
Okay.
Those who are sick.
Obviously. And
number two,
kanang mga mados,
the sucklings.
Mga bata.
Nagpa-daddy o baby.
Yes, correct.
They are also...
How about those who are just pregnant?
Pregnant, depende. Pag ingon ng doktor, kinanglan mo kaon ka. Kinanglan mo kaon siya. because that is the doctor's advice.
Kung maingon ng doktor, you have to drink your vitamins daily. Okay ra ng vitamins.
Okay ra.
Walay problema.
Walay problema.
Okay. Kung naay sakit, let's say, nakaiubo, ingon na lang, ubo, pwede mo inom og cough syrup. Di mo pwede.
Murag rare kaya na mahitabo.
Okay, sige.
So, almost nil.
Okay, so...
But in case you cannot really fast, what you need to do is feed a person.
And that will do.
That will do. For example, lain akong paminaw because siguro I'm too weak to do fasting.
To continue.
Yes. What I could do is you have to find somebody kanang pobre kayo siya in the community.
Then tabangan mo.
Feed him or her. That would suffice.
Okay. But you cannot continuously do that for 30 days.
You cannot, of
Because
course.
that's already...
Tinuyo na.
Okay, sige. Okay. So, yun na siya, no? So,
Children are also exempted. Yeah.
what age?
Maybe 10 below.
10 below. Okay.
10 below.
Pag abot og 11, wala.
Fasting na. And also those who had reached the age of maybe 80.
80 years old, exempted na po dara.
Exempted na sila.
So, you have to be 80.
Kung 80 na ka,
Libre na. Pwede na mukaon.
Weak naman sad na.
Pwede na mukaon.
Because we have seen people at the age of 80, wala na.
Okay. So,
pag di mo pa kanon, collapse na.
Karong adlaw mo tikyop ang adlaw more or less mga 6:30 para sigurado, and that's when the cooking begins.
No, the sunset is actually 5:54, I think.
Okay. But just to make sure, 6:30
But
gid inyo.
I break my fast at 6:30.
That's your advice as imam for everybody for in the Muslim world.
Because
Okay.
of the Quranic dictums which says hatta bil-layl.
Okay.
Layl means dark,
Okay.
nighttime. So you have to break your fast when night comes.
So, kuan pa lang, wapa may kuan ana, sunset, sugod nagluto na sila.
Oh, luto na.
How does it feel? Masimhutan nimo mga pagkaon na giluto.
Samot ka gutom. Palayo lang sa ka.
Palayo ka.
Palayo lang.
Palayo ka.
Oo. Ma-break ko niya imong fast.
Okay. Naay ubang mga kauban nato nga mga Muslim nga wala pa nagsugod og Ramadan, nag-fasting na sila para sayon kuno ang pag-transition sa Ramadan.
Yes. Like I did.
Like you do, no?
Yeah, before Ramadan, naanak ko'y 10 days.
10 days is the best. Or
Yes.
pwedeng 5 days, 10 days yun.
10 days is good. Because pag abot sa Ramadan, bali, wala na.
Wala na.
Anad naman ka.
When is the most difficult time for Ramadan? The last 10 days? The last 5 days? Unsa ba?
The first 2 days.
The first 2 days.
The first, because nag-struggle dyan ka.
Struggle
A
ka.
lot of Muslims, basta first day, second day, third day, grabe na. Tanawa ang masjid. Sunod sa masjid, makita mo nang higda na dito tanan kay.
Okay.
Wala. Di nakatrabaho, di nakadrive, di naka...
Pangutana, are you supposed to look sad or are you supposed to look happy because you are undergoing this kuan?
You have to be happy.
You must look happy.
Yes.
Okay.
Ayaw, anong frail ka kayo. Kaya katanaw, murag, nagkagidlay na katan mo. Wala, when you start walking, your hands will...
sway.
Yeah, no. Don't do it that way.
Okay. Kinalan mo
Say,
kuan.
hypocrisy naman po, murag pakitang tao na lang ba?
Okay. So let's say, tuwa na tas punto
Be
nga.
sober, Be joyful.
Tuwa na tas
Cheer up.
punto nga nanang pagkaon. Pagkahuman, siyempre, tanan nga mga kuan, nagramadan, mukaon, nagapil. So kanang imong kaon, Brother Najib, kuan na siya, kutob na siya before sunrise. Pwede ka mo continuously eat during kuan, during the dark.
Pwede, pero realistically, pagka mabusog na ka, di naman ka ganahan mo kaon. Because di naman ka ka-load.
Okay.
Sa experience yun siya, actual experience ha.
Pero depende po na slawa siguro, Brother Najib, sa kuan, kanay ubang nga,
siguro.
kanang tambok yung kayo, grabe sad mo kaon, oy.
Siguro. Pero we always encourage
There is no limit.
Muslims to take it lightly. Because ang
Makalitan.
importante sa fasting manggod, ang katong last 10 days.
Okay.
Because to regulate our body, all intake we have, especially katong mga cereals lang, after 2 hours, digested na na.
Correct.
And katong protein, meat protein, it would take more than 3 hours before
Okay.
siya ma-digest.
Yes.
Make sure the food that you eat Now,
Can be
after
digested.
8 hours,
Can be
dispose na siya.
Okay.
So wala na yung unod imong tiyan. You take another, because you break your fast 6:30, let's say.
Okay.
Right?
Oo.
So this food must be disposed early in the morning.
Okay.
Now you take light meal also around 3:30
In the
early
morning.
morning.
Morning, yes.
Kinahanglan 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. sa hapon, dispose na siya.
Okay.
So your stomach is really empty after 20 days.
When is the last meal that if you want to be
3:30 to mga 3:45.
3:45. 5 o'clock is already pushing it.
Depende kung
It's still dark.
kung pagtanaw sa gawas unsa man ni dark pa, di pa nimo ma-distinguish ang thread sa white o black. Pwede pa.
Pwede pa. So muna pero nagiuban nga mukhaon ng nana giurasa kay paniguro na lang.
Paniguro
no?
Masayo.
Okay. Sa atong nasod, klaro man kayo ang sunset, ang sunrise. In other countries, it's 6 months all day, and in other countries, it's 6 months all night. So
yes, that's true.
How is that
In areas in the frigid zone,
Okay.
if you are in the Arctic region, for example, in North America, somewhere in north of Canada,
Okay.
or those in South Africa, beyond New Zealand, that is the Antarctic region, you have to break your fast according to the schedules which was deduced by the ifta, the mufti of that area.
Kanang mufti, mura po na siya imam pareha nimo.
Oo, the one that gives the religious verdict.
Okay.
So naa sila oras gisunod.
Okay.
Because sa mga frigid nga zone, sa mga frigid zone, ang ilang kanang dark is several months.
Okay.
Light pud nila pud several months sad. So di na masunod ning sunrise to sunset nato.
Would be the number of hours still the same, or is it more difficult in other countries kay mas taas ang ilang darkness?
More difficult.
Or ang ilang light mas lisod gyapon. So
lisod.
it does not follow a 12-hour cycle.
No, lahi sila.
So mas lisod
Exceptional.
mas lisod sa ila.
Mas lisod.
So mas swerte ta in terms of in our case din sa Philippines.
Because we experience sunlight and sunset every day and nothing has changed.
Pero dito
Sa Arctic region lahi. Unless kung mahimo pud tang Arctic na sad o mahimo tang Antarctica pud sa loob.
pero sa ila dito there is no among the muftis or among the imams or the atollahs kumaingon nga we just have to observe 12 hours good. Wala nga
na sila schedule.
Na sila ilang kaugalingon.
Then
So mas dugay ang ilang ang ilang fasting dito. Would that be technically correct?
And listen, because when you fast, your stomach is empty. Unya naa ka sa frigid zone.
Bugnaw.
Very difficult. Masamot imong kagutom.
How about in areas where it's very hot? Mas lisod pod.
Dili, masayon.
Kay dili man kay uhawon ka.
Amora pod na. Pero karon pod sa mga lugar nga init like the Middle East, aircon naman pong balay tanon.
Hinoon sad.
Oo. Mas sayon sa mas lisod sa kuan, frigid zone.
It's harder when it's really it's very cold.
Lisod dito.
Okay, so kaon mo and then the next day, okay. How do you break Ramadan now?
We break our fasting every day pagka dark.
Okay.
But of course, remember, this is one whole month.
Yes.
Then Ramadan will end sometime by April.
April unsa man kuan?
Siguro mga April 9 or 10.
Okay.
Then that's the only time nga wala na.
April 9, morning of April 9 or 10. Pwede na mo so I'm sure there must be a fiesta. I'll use the word fiesta, murag fiesta nga murag kaon gyud tanan.
Kanang gitawag nato Eid al-Fitr.
Eid al-Fitr. Muna murag ginagdako kay celebration kay ko na.
National holiday mo na.
And then are you supposed to feed more people? Are you supposed to share in the community unsa may?
Yes. In fact, that is the message of humility,
Okay.
When you do not eat food, let's say spare nimo imong breakfast, imong lunch. Keep all of those.
Okay.
Pag-abot sa katapon sa Ramadan, share this with those who are in need.
Hasta sa masjid, there is some kind of a celebration also.
Oh yes, every
magpakaon tanan.
Every place, not just in every home.
Every home.
Every home, they have it.
Magpakaon sila.
Magpakaon, no? Give it, share it.
And then once Eid al-Fitr happens, muna nang you go back to your regular schedule now. If you
Yes,
can eat and then kuano.
Balik na sa schedule. Except those na naiutang. Nakautang sila og 3 days, 4 days,
They have to
5
continue.
days. Mga babae,
Oh.
naaman sila monthly period.
Oh.
They cannot fast.
So they have to prolong.
No, after Ramadan, they have to pay by fasting.
By fasting.
Katong number of days nga wa sila ka fast.
Okay, karon more or less we have an idea about Filipino Ramadan, no? In other countries, Brother Najib, no? Kani bang ang sa Filipino magud mo yung kag Muslim or tanang Muslim pareho, no? Ang ilang basic notion ba? It's like saying that all Christians are the same. Di man pareho tanang Kristiyano, no?
Actually,
So would it be fair to say that all Muslims are actually all the same, or there are different perspectives?
In terms of their being Muslims, siguro wala jud sila variation because the faith is one and the same.
Okay.
But because they are in different areas where the temperature is differs from that,
Okay.
from each other. For example, if you are in the frigid zone, the temperature is totally different if you are in Africa.
Okay.
And the African also differs that of those in the Middle East.
Okay.
In other words, their way of life, their practice may differ
Okay.
because lahi ang condition nila.
Ay, ako na yung pakutanan ni mo, Kuan, Brother Najib. Kani bang niaman ta karon sa issue sa Kuan, kaning atong istoryahan kabahin sa Kuan, sa Filipino Muslims. Are there different, how would I use the word, sex in terms of SECT? In terms of sekta, in terms of denomination sa atong Kuan pagka mga Filipino Muslims. Are there different Filipino Muslim sektas?
Actually, wala.
Wala.
We have schools of thought,
Okay.
which is mistakenly viewed to be sect. Actually, wala.
Okay.
Because we have schools of thought like the Malikis in Africa,
Okay.
the Hanafi, the Hanbali, the Shafi'i, the Ja'afari. These are schools of thought.
Okay.
Now, every year, Muslims coming from the different parts of the world, we go to Makkah.
Okay.
All schools of thought, regardless, Maliki, Hanafi, Hanbali, Shafi'i, Ja'fari, Alawi, Ibadi, or Wahhabi, everybody goes to Makkah.
Okay.
We embrace each other as brothers.
Okay.
Wala na siyang issue sa kining mga sekta or denomination. Plus, in 2004, King Abdullah of Jordan invited Muslim leaders, all muftis, coming from different parts of the world. By the way, we have 57 Muslim countries today.
Okay.
We have, population-wise, is around 2,200,000,000 Muslims
Correct.
now.
Okay.
The fastest growing religion in the world.
Yes.
During that gathering in 2004, scholars, presidents, prime ministers, sultans, kings,
Tanan.
because they were there in Jordan,
Okay.
signed a document
Okay.
which entitles Who Are the Muslims?
Okay.
A Muslim is he who believes in God, who believes in all his prophets,
Okay.
in the day of judgment and in the day of resurrection, heaven and hell.
Okay.
He is a Muslim.
Okay.
We do not call him, you are outcast, you are...
So wala na tong gilangingon nga kanang mga bikil-bikil, mga konting alitan between Sunna, Shia, wala na yun.
Wala. Inano na yun. Brush out. That's why today we say the age of madahib, the madhab, meaning these schools of thought.
Okay.
The age of madahib is now under our feet.
Okay.
No more. Because the information highway is already open. All issues in the Quran can be directed to the religious office of the Organization of the Islamic Conference.
So maingon nato nga
world issues.
So maingon nato nga ang Sunni ug Shia kay kuan man gud pag abot sa kada nasod in every country, the politics gets the religion into trouble kay
Yes,
ang leader, let's say Sunni, ang usa Shia,
usa Ibadi,
also
usa Alawi.
mag-away-away na.
Yes.
Also,
We're trying to...
you're still trying to fix that.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're trying. In fact, I would say very safely we have fixed 75% already.
75%.
Yes.
Okay.
We are still moving forward to put an end to these, divisions, so-called, quote-unquote.
Oo. Kaning quote-unquote divisions kuan kani Brother Najib kaning bang away ancient kuan disagreement between Ali and Abu Bakar.
Yes.
Do you think that will really be resolved hopefully in the age of madahib?
Yeah, yes. Finally, it would be resolved.
Okay.
Because since the opening of the information highway, any question under the heat of the sun
Pwede na.
can already be asked and be answered likewise.
Okay.
Unlike in the past, when it is very difficult to keep in touch with Muslims in Africa
Okay.
or Muslims in the Balkan region,
Okay.
today no more. The world has become a very small place to live. We're now cyberspace, cyber village.
Na, my next question is, basig wala ka bala mga Pilipino, in terms of prostration, lahi would it be correct, ang Shia o Sunni? Kaya ang kuan ko na, ingon sila, ang uban, mag-fold og ilang kamot, ang uban, diretso ang kamot. Is there anything about that?
That is one issue which we also have,
Oo.
which we also have discussed, and finally, we agreed that if the imam cross his hands,
You cross your-
you follow him.
Okay.
If the imam put his hand just straight, do it likewise.
Okay, next, kuan,
Wala
kanang,
na, para wala yung problema.
okay, next is, kanang mga, ang pagtuo nga, kuan ba, ang mga pagtuo between Ali and Abu Bakar, kay ang uban ko no, Brother Najib, writings on the masjid is okay. Ang uban na may portrait.
Yeah.
How is that?
Images
Images, so
is
kana.
not allowed, obviously.
Dig yun.
In all masjid,
Okay,
images is not allowed.
okay.
It is hurum, it is haram.
O kanang pagtuo nila nga pareha sa kang away nilang Ali o Abu Bakar nga marabag kinahanglan sundon gyud tong linya sa mga dugo gikan kang kuan.
We're trying to resolve that same issue.
Will that be difficult?
It's not difficult because
Okay.
during the gathering, all the leaders of Shia were in Jordan, and all the leaders of Sunni were also in Jordan,
Okay.
and did sign the document.
Karo kani ako ni pangutanan nimo kay Pilipino man ta. In Malaysia kanang pagbutang og religious schools, it is strictly being kuan kanibang it has to be approved by the education minister. Would you recommend that for the Philippines?
Case-to-case basis.
Case-to-case basis.
Case-to-case.
Sa Pilipinas.
Philippine setting, I think, ang mga ulama, they can just be in the other side of the corner and serve as an overseer.
Okay.
Kay, di man ta kayo unsay mga issues down the line.
Okay.
But hopefully, everything will just be fine. And everything will na yung solution ma-offer nato sa tanan nga problema nga makita nato along the way.
Last 10 seconds. Ang hutba sa Malaysia, kinahanglan aprubahan, I think, by the Prime Minister or by the Minister of Information. Do you recommend that?
Religious na siya. Religious na.
Would you recommend that for the Philippines? Kay, to do away with terrorism, like in Malaysia, that's what they do, no? But do you think that we can adopt that as a best practice of Philippines? Final question.
That would depend sa kaning gobyerno nato. But
Okay.
ako, for one, in order to keep away insinuations about extremism,
Okay.
it should be looked into.
Okay.
Because ang mga individuals who has an extreme ideas and thoughts about the religion, manipulate nila ang mga di kayo educated, that is also very dangerous.
Correct.
Yeah, it will bring disorder and chaos in our society.
Correct.
We, case-to-case basis, we could agree to a certain extent. Na ang mga mag-khutbah sa masjid, kinala atusan sila paminang kung that guy has a very extreme view.
You can have the government can create a council like
Yes.
you involved there
Yes.
that can oversee these things. What self-regulation?
Self-regulation.
Okay.
Even police our ranks, no?
Yes,
So
yes.
that is to make sure that walay walay mga terorista nga mosulod sa
Makasunod.
atong
Hopefully, naminaw ang atong gobyerno, Brother Najib, and hopefully they can consider that. Thank you very much, Brother Najib. Rasul.
welcome. And thank you so much too for
It's our
giving us
pleasure.
time. Yeah.
Yeah, you
May God bless you.
Thank you very much.
And this program,
You are truly a moderating and a good voice, a good Filipino Muslim. Daghang salamat kay Brother Najib.
nakakataba ng puso. Thank you so much. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Shukran.
Afwan.
Okay, so mga kababayan, yun po ang kabuuan natin programang Politics and Beyond. Napag-usapan po natin mga kapatid natin mga Muslim sa iisang bansa natin, sa iisang republika. Let's pray for them as well. So that their journey will be less tedious, less hungry. Ito po si Eric Espina para sa Politics and Beyond. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan.